Hello everyone. So myself Omlan Datto, an intern at the Sparks Foundation, and I have developed the task 1 of the Sparks Foundation, that is a basic banking system which I have developed by using HTML, CSS, JavaScript as for front end and PHP and MySQL for backend. So first of all let's look up on the UI part of the website, that is the front end part. So here I've developed a nav bar where it is written TSF Banks. Here TSF stands for the Sparks Foundation, so I have in short made it TSF Bank. So TSF stands for Sparks Foundation. So here is the home button, about and contact, and there I have made it very simple and kept very unique. There is view users, transfer money and transaction history, and here is the footer where it is written made with love by Omlan Datto. So first of all let's look at the view users part. So these are the users. So I have attached 10 users as mentioned in the Sparks Foundation guidelines, where we have to develop a basic banking system with minimum 10 users. So I have kept 10 users with my name, myself, and everyone has a particular balance in them, and you can transact from each account to another account. So let's go back, and here is the transfer money. So here is also the same thing, just we can transact after looking upon from one balance to another. And lastly we have the transaction history, that is the past few transactions which I have done here to check whether it's working properly or not. So these are the things. So first of all let's look on this transfer money. So how we can transfer money from one account to another. For example, this is my account, I am myself Omlan Datto, and here of all if I start transacting, it will transfer to some specific account to which I want to transact. For example, I want to transact to Somrat, whose balance is right now 30,000. I want to transfer him, I have my balance 19,788. I want to transfer him 2,000 rupees. Let's transfer. So here it is showing me transaction successful. Okay, so I have already transferred 2,000 rupees to Somrat, and here it is also showing me the last transaction, that is Omlan to Somrat, a money of 2,000 rupees on today's date, that is 11th August 12:36. So this is the transaction history, so it is perfectly working. And now let's talk about these buttons. So this is the home button, which basically takes to the main page, that is the index page, and this is about section, where when you click on this about section, it will open up my portfolio. So this is my portfolio where I have kept all my things. So this is my portfolio. Now I am going back. So here is the contact button. You can send me message if anyone wants to, your name, then email ID, phone number, message, then send message. So if you click on the footer also, if you see here it is showing a hand. So if you click here, it will also open my portfolio, just the same thing. So this was my overall website, that is the basic banking system as mentioned by the Sparks Foundation for their task 1. So now let's look upon the coding part. So this is the index PHP page where I have mentioned the home, that is basically the home page where I have mentioned all the things. So this is the nav bar, all the doc type HTML. So here I have mentioned all the links and everything, and this is my configuration. The configuration page is very important because most of the time what happens is that all of them are successfully made the HTML page, but when it comes to connecting to PHP or MySQL, then a problem is faced. So here I have named my database as TSF. You can also see in here local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs, TSF Bank. So here you can see this is my SQL file which is named as TSF Bank. So I have attached the TSF Bank here. So I have connected my database TSF Bank, and for particularly my case, the server is localhost :3325. It is not mandatory for all, but for my case it is mandatory because my localhost or my XAMPP is hosted in this port 3325. That is why that is the reason for which my server is connected with this port. So basically for all it will be just only localhost and nothing else. So this is my configuration page. So this page is very important. And then it comes to the user details, where if you can see the users, their transaction history page, and the transfer money, how to transfer money from one account to another. So these are all the coding parts. Now this is my SQL, where I have taken a table for transaction, and these are the entries which I have done, and these are the user tables. That is the minimum 10 users which was mentioned by the Sparks Foundation, and these are the update commands for the transfer of money. And I have hosted this PHP page in my local host. Here it is mentioned TSF Bank, and two tables, transaction and users. You can see here, this is the transaction table, and then comes the user table. So these are the things which I need to show, and that's all. I think I've shown everything for this task 1 of the Sparks Foundation, and thank you all for being there to the end of this video. Thank you.